This is Chessington World of Adventures. This is Tomb Blaster. And this is a Laser Blaster. This is the Dark Ride Ultimate Games Showdown. Or drugs. Drugs for short. We're doing drugs. We're doing drugs.
This ultimate Tomb Blaster shootout will be a best of 3, with each ride getting more difficult than the last. The loser of the best of 3 will have to do a humiliating punishment, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Round 1 of this best of 3 is going to be the vanilla shootout round, which basically means highest score wins.
So James has the distinct honour of flipping for the right to shoot first. Tails never fails, baby. Tails, tails! Ooh, first on. We're literally one of maybe 5 people on this ride right now. No one here. It's a little sweaty. It's pretty sweaty. Die! 22,000 start. That's not great. Not great. It's going unbelievably well. I've picked it up. I've picked it up. How you doing, bud? I'm okay. 100,000. I think I'll be sitting pretty. He's doing pretty good. Try my best. Oh, boogie. All right, final score. 125,351. I don't know where that 1 point came from. How did that go? Pretty well. I can't holster my gun. I can't find the holster. I believe in you. 125,000. Think you can beat that? I feel confident about my ability to beat that score, but we'll see. It just depends on where you sit, which gun you get. Roll the dice, and the laser blaster, I guess. Oh no, he's already doing really well! I'm shooting the tombs as fast as I can! Shoot those tombs, buddy. How do you think it's going, bud? Oh, there's a big bug! I think it's going pretty well. I've got 2 big rooms left.
Just a quick recap on this.
I think we disturbed something. Oh! I think you got this in the bag. Unreliable. This wall is my savior. Oh, damn it. Oh, that win. That's the dub. Yeah! Well played, buddy. I'm gonna just coast the rest of the way. Big round 1 dub for you, boy. But next round coming up is the blackjack round. Don't hit over 21,000.
Round 2 is Tomb Blaster Blackjack, which means that our target score is 21,000. We're going to cover the scores in front of us, and the closest to 21,000 wins. But the catch is that if you hit over 21,000, you automatically lose the round. Let's play some blackjack.
Are you feeling any more confident about round 2? I am not doing this punishment, so yes, I am more confident now than I've ever been. The punishment's real bad. Alright, the score is covered. Good luck, buddy. Thank you. I'm shooting often and early, no idea what I'm on. This is so worrying. Who knows? Okay, if I had to guess, I think I'm on about 10,000 right now. Okay, halfway through the ride. That means nothing to me. I know, and also you. You got a hit on the soft 16. You got a hit on the soft 16. Do I keep shooting or do I hit on the soft 16? He's so unbelievably stressed right now. I don't know. Don't go over. I might be done. I don't know yet. Yeah? That's interesting. Are you done? I don't want to go over. Come on, a few more. 1 more for luck in the last chamber. 1 more. What do you think? What colour should I shoot? I'll let you pick. I think you should shoot something on the snake. Something on the snake. Something on the snake. Let's go with the blue on the bottom. The bottom blue. There we go. There it is. And he's sticking on bottom blue. Stick. That's my score. Nick's not allowed to see my score, but this is my current score. Go. 3, 2, 1. Okay. I see nothing. Okay. That's pretty. That's definitely something. So how do you feel that went, buddy? You know. What do you mean, you know? You know. If you know, you know. These guys know. I don't know. There's no way this guy hit. There's no way. This is suspicious looking. The purely scientific way of unstickying a piece of duct tape.
Rocks are the way, baby.
Dave, did you know that I am a professional blackjack player? Could have fooled me. I didn't know you could count to 21. I just need to not bust and then I'm good. You don't think I busted? I think you busted. I think you went over.
Okay.
I think you overshot. I think you overcooked it.
Okay.
Alright, sticky going on. Were you stuck? You can't see nothing?
Can't see nothing.
Good luck, sir.
Use your spectral blasters to shoot them to FORFEIT into our
What are you doing?
Nothing.
Nothing at all.
Yeah. This is the pacifist run.
The pacifist run.
I have a strat.
What's the strat?
I'll tell you later.
It's the spooky big man. Spooky big man. Have you fired a single shot yet?
No. Other than at your crunch, no.
What is the strategy, Nick?
I'll tell you later.
You haven't done anything this whole ride.
Yeah, I don't need to.
Okay, mate, what is going on? What's the strategy?
Strategy is coming in this room.
Okay, let's do this thing. Shoot me all you want.
Here we go.
Don't go over, buddy.
I'm not going over.
You think that's enough?
I killed the snake. That's going to set me in good stead. I'm sticking on dead snake.
You're sticking on gun snake.
I'm sticking on dead snake.
Okay. Are you ready to reveal your score? I am. We both don't know each other's scores. I'm gonna go first. My score, Nick.
Yeah.
Basis on your reaction was 11,735.
Ah, damn it.
What did you get?
Mine was like 6,600.
Oh, I knew it.
Mine was way under. Yeah. Well, okay, that ties up the series 1-1.
Let's go.
Okay, so that last round did not go my way, but hopefully I can win this next game, which is going to be lefty. Round 3 works just like it sounds. The lefty round means that we both have to shoot with our non-dominant hand, and seeing as though we're both right-handed, we can only use our left hand. Again, it's higher score wins. Me and Nick are tied 1-1. Let's see who can go ahead in the series.
Might not be too bad. You reckon?
Yeah, it's okay.
How's it going? Something I didn't anticipate is the left hand stamina. Sorry, ladies.
Indiana Bones.
He's doing okay. My left hand is cramping. Can I get a substitute for a timeout? Hydration break.
How's it going, buddy?
Bad. Bad in every sense of the word. Oh my god. Shoot that blaster. It's actually hurts. What a little baby. What a baby. You'll see. You'll see. 82,000. Okay.
975.
Okay. I'm feeling pretty confident. What about me or you?
About me, obviously.
Oh, okay.
Why?
Okay.
Why would I be feeling confident about you?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
That makes no sense.
You're going down.
Okay, this is way harder than I thought it was going to be.
Yep. Close to 20,000, bud.
I'm really concentrating. I do not want to do this forfeit.
How's your forearm?
Okay for now. I'm trying to not spam the trigger so much.
About 15,000 to go. Oh, I think he's getting it. I think he's gonna make the score. Distraction. No. Damn it. Well done.
But I think you're already.
You left-handed got me. I didn't do very well in that last round, but this next round is really going to separate the men from the boys. Blindfolded. Let's get it.
Round 4 is the blind round, which means through the entirety of the ride we'll both be wearing a blindfold, relying solely on instinct and previous ride-throughs to figure out where we're shooting. If I don't win this, Nick wins 3-1 and I'll have to do the punishment.
There he is. There's the man. Fully blind.
You didn't have to walk through the queue line with it on.
It's for the bit. Ready to go. Officially blind. This is dumb as hell. Blind fire round. Let's go. Here we go. I have no idea what we're facing. Oh, he hit something. Go, man, go.
To force him into
Let's go into it, bud.
Look out for the glowing.
Oh, I'm getting anything. No, not really. Oh, he hit something else. His score ticked over again. Oh dear. This is impossible. You got him. You got him, buddy. Oh my god, he hit a big score.
Oh yeah.
He hit something with a big number. Okay. Am I close? Nope. I think my goal was 10,000. Am I anywhere close to 10,000? I'm not telling you. What are you doing? I don't know. And that's time. Okay. That's not too bad. Blindfold ready. Time for the second round.
I'm feeling pretty confident. I've got to be, what was it, 7,000?
About 7,000. Yeah.
And if I win, you know what that means, buddy.
I do, but these guys don't, so let's keep that let's keep that completely secret.
Oh god, I hope I win this one.
It's go time. It's go time. Good luck.
This is immediately bad news. I can't see anything.
Yep. You're starting off pretty strong, I won't lie. Oh no, he's hitting every shot.
Alright, let's do snake room.
Snake room. Oh my. This isn't even going to come down to the wire. Oh no.
Am I hitting things?
Yeah, yes. Unfortunately, you are hitting things.
I think those things are the archer.
Yeah, there are things over there, alright, buddy.
You seemed excited early on, but you haven't said anything for a while.
Do you think you're beating me? Do you think you've beaten me already?
No, I don't think so.
Okay.
There's no way that I've hit that much already. This is impossible.
This is your last chance to win.
Ah, no! I don't want to do the ball. Oh god. I'm sorry. I'm really nervous.
This is going to come down to the wire. Alright, Nick, you ready to look at your score?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Yes!
Yeah. You had me in the first room. Yeah, almost.
Oh, don't worry.
Champion, ole. I'm sorry, buddy.
It's
Yeah,
fine.
me too. I'm sorry too.
So, that's a 3-1 loss for James, which means he has the forfeit to do. You know what that means, James?
I do, unfortunately.
We're going to Paw Patrol.
We are going to Paw Patrol.
But before we go to Paw Patrol, I have something in my bag for you.
Thank you.
Take that, go get changed, and I will see you in a moment. There he goes. Off to get changed. This is the best day of my life. You're going to see why in a minute. This is awesome. Who's a handsome man?
Me. I'm a handsome boy.
Let's see what you got going on there, buddy.
Oh yeah. Do you like my get up?
Yeah, I like your party hat.
Thank you.
Give me a little spin. Nice rucksack. What does it say? Friends forever.
Yep.
We're friends forever, right? I hate you. What day is it today, buddy?
It's my birthday.
And how old are you today?
I'm 31.
And what is it that you wanted to do for your birthday?
I want to meet the Paw Patrol.
So, if you had to pick, who's your favourite member of the Paw Patrol?
I don't give a shit.
Yes, you do. Come on. You know who your favourite is.
Sky. Sky is my favourite.
We're here. Oh, it's Marshall.
It is Marshall.
He's your second favourite.
Yeah. How'd you know?
Are you ready to go?
As ready as I'll ever be, Nick. As ready as I'll ever be.
But Marshall's your second favourite.
He is my second favourite. Go on, buddy.
Yay!
How are you? I love all the work you do, man.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
Say possum.
Possum.
Aw. Thank you, Marshall. That may have been the best moment of my life.
Glad you found something enjoyable from it.
It looked like you did too.
Yeah, it was fine. Marshall's a good pup.
Good lad. Second favourite.
Second favourite, yeah.
We'll come back when Sky's here.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's going to do it from us here today.
And yeah, how do you want to close off? I don't know, mate. Let's make sure that we have better scoring systems on Tomb Blaster. We need to figure out the way to max the score. Yeah. Anyway, we'll see you in the next part, guys. Peace, guys. Bye.
Do you guys want to see us do more dumb challenges like this? Or comment down below what challenge you want to see next. And while you're at it, why not subscribe so you don't miss future videos? We'll see you in the next part. Peace.